Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy French with Greg. I hope you enjoyed my first videos. This one is the last part of a series about new groups of letters and different sounds in French. In this video, you are going to learn 11 different groups of letters or sounds. As you can see, this group of letters are O+I, OUA, O+I+N, OUIN, A+U, ou E+A+U. The sound is O. C+H, ch ou que. I+L ou Y. The sound is y. O+U, ou. A+I. The sound is e or e. G+N, gne. P+H, f. E+U. The sounds are either e or e. The same with OE, like this. The sounds are e ou e. We're going to see these 11 groups of letters now. Okay, so the first one. The first one is O+I. The sound is wa. In these words, loi, la loi, the law, loi, oua, moi, foi, or oua, une oua goose, une oua. The letter E is silent. Wa, loi, moi, foi, wa. The next group of letters is O+U. The sound is ou, ou. In nous, we are, nous sommes, we are, nous, or vous, you. Trou, un trou, a hole, trou ou. Nouille, nouille, noodle, or a difficult one, grenouille, 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 a frog. The next group of letters is O+I+N, ouin, ouin. In, loin, far, far away, loin, or foin, foin, the sound ouin. And the last one, that's one of this page, of course, is A+I. It sounds like A or E, E or E, depending on the words. J'ai, I have, j'ai, français, français. Okay, so I repeat, wa, loi, moi, foi, oua. Ou, nous, vous, trou, nouille, grenouille. Ouin, loin, foin. And the last one of this page, et, j'ai, français, et, A-I, et. Okay, the next series of sounds, A+U or E+A+U. The sound is O. O, just O. A+U, cauchemar, nightmare. Cauchemar, O, cauchemar, cauchemar. Or auteur, the H and U are silent. Auteur, auteur. O, auteur. Or E+A+U, O, just O, water, O. I drink water, je bois de l'eau, O. Chapeau, hat, I wear a hat, je porte un chapeau, O, chapeau. Radeau, raft, or poteau. Can you see O and you can hear O and O, poteau, pole. Okay. A-U, E-A-U. The sound is O. Next one, G plus N. The sound is nye, nye, like the English onion, onion. Okay, let's see these words. Agneau. Remember, E-A-U are O. So, agneau, agneau. Campagne, 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 the countryside. La campagne. Oignon. You can see O plus I. It should have been wa, but the I is silent, so it's O. Oignon, oignon. Nye, oignon. Or peigne. Remember, E plus I are E, so it's peigne, peigne. The next sound, C plus H. So the group of letters C plus H sounds like sh or k. Okay, sh in chat, a cat. Chat, un chat, un cheval, a horse. Cheval. Or que, chorale, chorale, choir. Okay, chorale. Que, charismatique. Charismatique. Que, charismatique. Christ, Christ. Christ, que. Christ. The next sound, P plus H in F, pharmacie, pharmacie, phonétique, phonétique, symphonie, symphonie, okay? Pharmacie, phonétique, symphonie. Okay, I repeat the whole groups of letters. O, A plus U, E-A-U. O, cauchemar, hauteur. O, chapeau, radeau, poteau. Nye, agneau, campagne, oignon, peigne. Chat, cheval, or que, chorale, charismatique, Christ. P plus H, pharmacie, phonétique, symphonie. Okay, let's move on to the next groups of sounds. The sound is Y. Can you hear me? Y. Y with I, aïe, aïe, œil, ouille, œil, or just the letter Y, it goes Y sometimes. Okay, so let's see these words. First of all, I plus L, or on the feminine form, I-L-L-E. So, papillon, papillon. This is Y. Papillon. Chenille, chenille. Fille, fille. Anguille. Bille, une bille. Okay, so you can hear the sound Y. It is the same with I in travail. Y, travail. Ventaille. Caille, une caille. Une bataille. Y, ok. Travail, ventaille, caille, bataille. Now the sound A. Soleil, soleil, abeille, bouteille. Okay, let's move on to œil. E-U is E. E-Y. and y, feminine form. Okay. So, écureuil, écureuil, squirrel. Écureuil, écureuil. Feuille, 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 une feuille, a leaf. Ok. Écureuil, feuille. Houille, houille. In fenouille, fenouille. Remember, O+U, ou. And then E+L, y. Fenouille. Grenouille, grenouille, grenouille. There's a specific form of y. It's y, el here. Œil. Okay, it sounds like y, œil, an eye. Un œil, un œil, one eye, an eye, a singular form. Œil. And then the sound, sorry, the letter Y, Y, can sound like y sometimes. In these words, for example, boyau. Okay, can you hear that? Bois, boyau, boyau, boyau. As you can see, the letter Y in French, it's the equivalent of two eyes, like E. Okay, E. So if the first E after O is was, it sounds like wa, bois, and then the other E plus AU, boyau, boyau. The same with noyau, noyau, un noyau. Soyeux, soyeux, soyeux. Okay, silky in French, sorry, in English. Soyeux, ye. Voyelle, vowel in English, okay? Voyelle, voyelle. Okay, let's do it again. Quickly. Ille, papillon, chenille, fille, anguille, bille. Aille, travail, ventaille, caille, bataille. Aille, soleil, abeille, bouteille. Œil, écureuil, 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 écureuil. Feuille, houille, fenouille, grenouille. Œil, an eye, un œil, un œil. And then the letter Y in these words. Boyau, noyau, soyeux, voyelle. That's a difficult one. Okay, but you know it now. And the last group of letters, E+U, or the specific, group of letters, we call it O+E combined together. In French, it's E dans l'eau, E inside the letter O, E dans l'eau, E inside O. As you can see, it's very close to the O. It's stick to the O, combined, okay, with the letter O. So, E+U can sound E or E, depending on the words. E or E. So let's start with E. In these words, peur. You can imagine then that the letter U is silent, like peur, P-E-R. It's as if you had only P-E-R. peur, peur. Heure, heure, H, sorry, and U are silent. Heure. L'heure, or hauteur, heure. Peur, heure, l'heure, hauteur. And so, O plus E in this form, E dans l'eau, E dans le O, O plus E combined together, and U, okay, they make these kind of words. O plus U are silent. So it goes like œuf. E plus F. It sounds like E plus F. œuf. Un œuf. Un œuf. An egg. œuf. œuf. Sœur. O is silent plus U. Silence as well. So sœur. Bœuf. B-E-F. You can just sound. It sounds like B-E-F. Bœuf. œuf. Sœur. Bœuf. And as we have already seen, O dans l'eau plus I in this word, it's œil. 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 Okay. So we have peur, heure, l'heure, hauteur, œuf, sœur, bœuf, œil, œil. Okay. And the group of letters E plus U, you can sound E in peureux, peureux, coward, peureux, or heureux, happy, masculine form, heureux, or them, masculine form, ye, the plural of œil, one eye, two yeux, deux yeux, yeux. Okay, like ye, you can recognize here ye, un œil, des yeux, And once again, E dans l'eau, which means O plus I combined together, plus U. It's veut, veut. Okay, O plus X are silent. Okay, veut. Des œufs. E is the plural of œuf. Œuf here, an egg. Œuf, E. O plus F plus S are silent. Des œufs, Okay, one egg, un œuf, des œufs. The same with bœuf. Un bœuf, des, plural, des bœufs, bœufs. O plus F plus S are silent. Bœufs. That's a difficult one as well. Okay. Let's move on to the next page. And it is the end. Okay. Thank you very much. If you want to improve your French, don't hesitate to watch this video 1 or 2 more times. If you liked it, you know what to do. Share it with your friends, subscribe, comment, activate the notification bell, and watch my next videos coming soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.